Hello, this is Ian and Silas with DC Digital, and today we are going to be showcasing our custom DC-4020 manufacturing warehouse static shipping network controlled scoreboard display. So this is a custom order for a manufacturing facility, and what the customer aims to accomplish by utilizing this product is to simply showcase the collective number of packages that have been shipped out. And they want to do it via multiple sections too, so they want to display the week of, and they want to showcase the number of products that are past due and the number of products that are currently due. They also want to showcase the number of shipped packages and the number of incorrect products that have been made, or in other words, how many malfunctions there are, and the number of products that are due the next week. So I'm going to have Silas take over here, and he's going to explain the functions of the scoreboard here and how one can input the static number themselves, and then I'm going to take over afterwards and showcase the hardware aspect of this model.
So this is using our serial to Ethernet adapter, which means you'll be able to send network packets via TCP or UDP to update these displays remotely. And this allows you to automate the process somewhat and set it up in the way that you need it to work. So we're going to show you setting each one of these different displays. Well, you'll see it on the physical display, and then you'll also see me typing it in on the web page. To set the display of week of, you'll use your 5-digit protocol as given in the 5-digit manual. So that's TSO and then your 5 numbers. So let's 123-4 to show you that you can type in the dashes. Then a pattern 0. Then the address, and the address is AA for week of. So we set that, and that'll set your display. As you can see, on the week of, you can type in a dash and a 5-digit number. For past due, you'll use your 3-digit protocol. So TSO and your numbers are 123, pattern 0, and the address, so past due is AB. As you can see, the due section has been set. And for shipped, the address is AD. That's how you set the shipped section. For incorrect, the address is AE. That's how the incorrect section will be set. And for due next, the address is AF. And finally, that's how the due next section is set. Here on the network page, you can control your various network settings. At the top here, you've got your device name and your addressing mode, so you can set your device to be a static IP address if you so desire. Below that is all the information you would enter to create a static IP address. And last but certainly not least is the listening network port. This is the port that when you're sending UDP or TCP packets to, this is the port that you will send them to. So in this instance, it's 23. So if I were to take a packet sender program and send it to IP address 192.168.1.252 at port 23, this device would hear it and send it and forward it to the serial port. This can be used to automate the process of setting our display.
So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, as you can see, this is a custom indoor black powder coated aluminum enclosure that has a length of 65 inches, is 25 inches long, and is 3 inches in depth. The display size for the LEDs are 4 inches, and they are each viewable up to a total of 200 feet away. The number of digits for the week of section is 5 digits, and the all other sections are a total of 3 digits. Its power type is a 120 VAC indoor power cord with a cable gland that's 9 feet long. For mounting, we have our C-channel mounting on the back of the enclosure. And lastly, for accessories, we have our NTDN upstatic protocol webpage for inputting the code, and it is transmitted via an RJ45 Ethernet connection. So again, this is Ian and Silas with DC Digital. demonstrating our custom DC-4020 manufacturing warehouse static network shipping controlled scoreboard display. Thanks for watching.